welcome back to my channel. So today I am going to be doing a little unboxing of the Doll Beauty My Valentine mystery box. So I ordered this yesterday, which was the day that they came out. I think they're sold out now, but it literally came this morning. I'm well impressed. But this is just adorable, absolutely adorable. So I believe it was 5 items for £30. Obviously the value of this is going to be more than £30, but that's what I paid anyway. So it comes with this really cute sticker on the front. What does it say? Will you bay my Valentine? And then it says your secret admirer, but love doll crossed out, which is a really cute touch. So inside it looks like this. So this sticker here says, fate has brought us together, gorgeous. Well, that and your love for online shopping. Happy Valentine's Day. And then inside they're all wrapped. So obviously I haven't seen what's in here. I've opened the box and that's as far as I got. So that's what I'm going to do with you today. So the first item is this. I've got a fairly good idea what this is because it's a liquid. And this is so cute. It's kind of like I'm wrapping birthday presents. Look at these little stickers on there as well. So yeah, it's a fate. I'm actually really pleased I got this because I wanted to try this anyway. But it's the Deep Dark Ultimate Tan. Pumped with caviar and rose extract. Smells like heaven and notes of rose and marshmallows. So yeah, I look forward to trying that out. I've got another tan I've still got to try out for a video yet, the cocoa tan, but I will try this one for a video as well. Then next up is this one. Some of them are quite obvious what they are. This is obviously going to be a lipstick. Oh, it's one of their new ones. I don't have any of their new ones. So this is the Red Alert lipstick. How cute is that packaging? That's adorable. So She's Well Red is the shade. Well, they're kind of like the new packaging. The Doll Beauty logo is actually raised, whereas the others it was printed on. So that's quite nice. Oh, that is, oh my God, that is such a nice red. Look at that. That is beautiful. I do like a nice red, I have to say. Let's give it a little swatch, just do it on my hand. Oh yeah, that's a proper red. Yeah, nice. And again, with the new packaging, I love that they've got hearts all around the actual lipstick itself. Really, really nice touch. So next up is this one here. Maybe a lip liner. Yep. So this is one of the new ones as well. I saw this and I thought, oh no, it's a lip liner, because I've literally just bought the full set. So I thought, but yeah, it's one of these ones. I would have put it in a giveaway for you if not. Right, so I've got the shade Bleeding Gorge, which is obviously going to be another red, which will probably go quite nicely with the new lipstick as well. So it's like that. So it's a nice deep red. That'll look really nice actually with that lipstick. Oh, yeah. Nice. And again, I have wanted one. In fact, I went to Primark and I put a bright red lip pencil in my basket, and you know they're so tiny. When I got to the checkout and got home, they obviously didn't pick it out of the basket and scan it. But yeah, I needed a red lip pencil, so that will join the others. Then this one, which looks like it might be lashes. Ooh, they're nice, and again, it's all the new packaging, not like the other boxes that they've done before. I know they've been a lot cheaper, they've been like a tenner, but this is actually all the new stuff. So these ones here. So these are Eva. And then you get like a little drawer on them as well. Oh, they're nice. They are actually my kind of lashes. Really nice, like those. And I love this. It's really good quality box as well, so it's going to keep them nicely protected. Yeah, and then lastly is this one here. I've no clue what this one is. So I think it's a highlighter palette. So it's this one here. It says Shine Bright and Like a Diamond. I don't mind if it is, because I actually quite like Doll Beauty highlighters. I've got the Pretty Little Glow one that I use sometimes. That's intense. Yeah, lovely. So take the plastic off. We've got that one there. Nice big pans. And I'll give you a little swatch. This one actually is quite suited to me. The other one might be a touch dark. You can always use that for like inner corners or something. Yeah, you can never see highlighter. I don't know why I show you, because you can never see it on my skin. But yeah, you can see the darker one. So that's obviously the dark one and the lighter one. That one I will definitely use on my face, but that one won't go to waste because I'll just pop it on my inner corners and brow bone. So yeah, nice. Well worth the money. I think that's a really good price, 30 quid for all that. I think the tan is normally a tenner. These, I believe I have seen them. I think these are on offer for £12.50. So that's £22.50. The lashes are what, £8, £9? So just with those 3 items, you're spending 30, and then you've got a free lipstick and lip liner basically. So that's really, really good. So I hope you enjoyed watching, and if you did, please give me a thumbs up, and I'd really appreciate it. It'd mean the absolute world to me if you enjoyed watching this and you would like to see more content from me in the future, and you would like to subscribe to my channel. Until then, thanks for watching. Bye!